Guess what today is at the Hamilton house? Let me show you something. You'll guess right away, I'm sure. Right? Change the HVAC filter day here. And I know that because home inventory is not just about keeping track of our stuff. It also will give you alerts on maintenance tasks that are due. And we keep track of our HVAC filters. For one thing, I have no idea why, but we have 4 different filter sizes in this home. It's not a mansion, but for some reason we have 4 different sizes. So I always, when we need new ones, I always have to look in home inventory and figure out which size to order. So that is one thing that home inventory can do for us on this task. The other is, like I said, sending us an alert. So we have maintenance tasks inside home inventory synced with our calendars. So I get a notice. So every 3 months I get to do this and I don't miss it. And I'm so grateful because if I do miss it, then that can mean costly repairs down the road. Thanks for listening. Stay safe. Bye for now.